Nimezunguka hapa nikakuta sasa bei ya unga imeenda chini kabisa, and our unga is now retailing at below 120 shillings, which is a great achievement, and this is courtesy of the call that we made to our farmers to go back to the farms. The fertilizer subsidy program that we've been running is now bearing fruit. It is now paying off. Yesterday we concluded the evaluation of tender for supply of other types of fertilizers for maize, for potatoes, planting and top dressing. We are telling our farmers, please, by the time we are getting to mid-February, there will be sufficient fertilizer now for the second planting season.